What's up, you guys? So I'm currently at $18,015. I'm down $417. Earned dividends is at 305. You can hit that $300 mark. So yeah, I haven't really been uploading lately. Just been crazy busy at work. And yeah, I haven't been buying. I actually have been selling. On this, I think it's a short term pump, but yeah, we'll see like in next month, see if the market does drop, so I'll be ready. Currently buying power is at $7,360. So yeah, just as you can see my activity, I'll show you guys. Just been earning some dividends, still dollar cost averaging 150 every week. Well, I haven't been buying, but just still putting 150 every week, or $300. On Monday I put in 150, and then on Wednesday I put in another 150. So yeah, recently I bought a little bit of Dominion Energy, pays a dividend right here. I bought around $58, and then sold some Shopify, cause yeah, I think it's a short term bounce. I was up on this short term bounce that I think is happening right now, so just took some profits. As far that's pretty much it. If you guys want, I'll show you guys a little bit of my portfolio, what I have on my dividends. I have Apple, Store Capital, Starbucks, Coca-Cola, Wing, Microsoft, Cat, Kroger, Simon Property, JP Morgan, Nike, ABR, SAP, some T Row, NEE, Energy Stock, Stag, PFLT, XOM, Gas, Visa, MMM, The Kraft, McDonald's, Citigroup, and yeah, so on, pretty much. Look at I got all of these right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Long term wise, I was sold some Meta, because I do see it going lower, probably around $70. But yeah, we'll see. It's currently at 112 right now. Amazon is going down too. I did take a bit of some profit there when it was up. Down slowly going down too. Tesla as well, I'm down. Shopify, Netflix, Neo, DraftKings. These are my long term um, stocks pretty much. Got some Hylian, Alibaba, Roblox, Hood, Zoom, and Google. And yeah, sold off of Meta. So yeah, I'll be adding more soon on these and my dividends. Just waiting on the market to drop, and yeah, currently 7,300 buying power, and yeah, still adding 300 every week so far. And yeah, I'll be getting more aggressive soon, as I think the market will be dropping, but who knows, so we'll see. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.